Hello everyone. For my final project, I will be creating an automated alarm system for vehicles. So the purpose of this project is to address the road problems by creating an automated safety alarm system for various types of cars. So what is the problem? Recently, here in Iloilo, there is an accident or a road accident wherein a couple is killed during a vehicular collision in our city. So, the news said that the two victims riding a motorcycle was hit by a SUV and both are killed during the accident. So this project imposes an automated system that will help preserve lives of drivers, pedestrians, and people who are involved in road and vehicular aspects. This project will solve or minimize the occurrence of road and vehicular accidents. So the SDG I've chose is the goal number 9, wherein industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So in my project, I will be creating an or using a ultrasonic sensor. The car is equipped with this system wherein if an object blocks or an object is ahead of the car, there will be a buzzer and an LED that will serve as an alarm to the driver of that certain car. So here is my setup. So here is the actual setup of my prototype using my Arduino. And so in this project, I have used two separate Arduinos, one for the circuit that controls the car, and another Arduino is used to control the circuit of the alarm or the ultrasonic sensor. So here we can see the ultrasonic sensor placed in front of the car, and also there is an LED and a buzzer that will help or will alarm the driver of the car. And also I've used a motor driver. I've just used the previous project or previous car of the last midterm project. So here the white plastic here serves as the by the way, the the Arduino that controls the movement of the car is powered by a 18650 battery or two 3.7 volts battery, and the Arduino or the circuit or the alarm circuit for the alarm system is powered by a power bank. I've used a power bank in order to power or to supply power to the Arduino that controls the alarm system and the ultrasonic sensor. So I've placed the Bluetooth module at the back of the car, and the ultrasonic sensor, of course, in front of the car. So next, I'll be showing the code, the code of the the Arduino that controls the movement of the car. So here I've include first the libraries, and excuse me, and next is the here are the initial motor spin, and for the command next here, I've set this as the baud rate to my Bluetooth module. Next is here is the function that will initialize the with motor stop. And here are the functions for the movement of the car, which is for the first function for the forward function, and the backwards, the left and right, and also the stop code or the functions of our motor. Next is the code for our ultrasonic or the alarm system, code for our alarm system circuit. So I'll just use this code. I first declared the pins of our buzzer, the ultrasonic, and also our LED components. Then here is the main program of our of our um, ultrasonic or the alarm system. Next, let us go to the um, actual demonstration or actual simulation of our project. So we can see that when the car is closer to a certain object in front of it, it will alarm, and that will in that scenario the driver will be notified that there is something in front or ahead of his or her vehicle. And so as you can see, there is still a problem, ongoing problem with my vehicle or my robot, because the controls are inverted. So as a result, um, the during the testing, the controls are inverted. So I just reverted the RX and TX port of my module. Also, during the testing, it is almost 2.5 weeks, but I cannot solve the problem regarding that the car stops working at a long period of time. So when I use the car in a certain, like more than 30 seconds or 20 seconds, the car just stops, and the connection of the Bluetooth is is not working properly, and is interrupted. So I'm still from this time, I'm still working on finding out the problem in regards with my Bluetooth module or in my application. So that is all for this, or for my final project, which is the automated alarm system for vehicles.